I love going to the pond. Every time I go, I see both ducks and geese. Do you know the difference between them? What do you call a group of ducks? A brace. And do you know what you call a group of geese? A gaggle. Ducks and geese have great feet for swimming. Their feet are webbed. Do you see how there's extra skin between the toes? That makes it easier to push water to swim. I know what makes them different. Ducks are shorter and can be many colors. Geese have longer necks and are white, black, gray, or brown. There are lots of different colored ducks. My favorite is the one with the blue beak. Which one is your favorite? A female duck is called a hen. A male duck is called a drake. Do you see how the drake is more colorful than the hen? Most geese are white, black, gray, or brown. They aren't as colorful as ducks, but they're still very pretty. A female goose and a male goose look a lot alike. The female goose is called a goose, and the male goose is called a gander. Some ducks love to quack. But geese don't quack. They make a honking sound. Male ducks whistle, coo, yodel, or grunt. Can you make those sounds? Only female ducks actually quack. Can you make that sound? All geese make a honking sound. Can you honk like a goose? Ducks eat mostly grass, fish, and insects. Look, when they dive in the water for food, all you see are their bottoms. But geese don't really like fish and insects. They mainly eat grass. One of my favorite things to do at the pond is to feed the ducks and geese. I like to throw bread in the water and watch them eat it up. Yum! Ducks and geese use their beaks to eat food. Look at this beak. It has 2 holes in it. That's the goose's nose. It's lunchtime for these geese. Ducks and geese are different in some ways, but some things about them are the same. Their babies crack out of eggs. Hello, little babies. Baby ducks and geese are so cute. Did you know they can start to walk right after they come out of their eggs? See how the baby ducks and geese are fuzzy? That's because they don't have feathers yet. They'll grow feathers later. But for now, I think they look like cute fuzzballs. A group of baby ducks or baby geese learns to do everything together. And look at how they follow their mommies around. Even in the water. Look, they're flying away. I'd better go home too. I love spending time with the ducks and geese at the pond. Do you? Sometimes when ducks and geese fly in groups, they make the letter V. Know why? It makes it easier for them to fly and to see each other. Wouldn't it be cool to fly way up high like a duck? Then the trees and the pond would look so small below you.